Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an Among Us crewmate wearing the Christmas lights hat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out the links in the description box below. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the regular crewmate just like my other videos. We're going to start by drawing the face shield. Draw a horizontal line for the top and curve it downwards on the right. On the left, draw a line down and curve it inwards. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Next, let's draw the top of the head. From the top right of the face shield, draw a curved line up to the left and then back down, stopping about here. Now draw the left side of the body by continuing the line straight down. Draw the other side of the body now. Starting from under the face shield, draw a line down and curve it in. Let's draw the legs now. Hop back over to the left side, and from the bottom, draw a curved line across for the foot. Draw a short line down here for the other side of the leg. Next, from the top of this line, draw a curved line across for the bottom of the body. Draw the other leg with the same shape, like this. Now draw a long rectangular shape on the left side for the backpack. And that's it for the crewmate. Now let's add the light bulbs for the hat. In the center, on top of the head, draw a large teardrop shape here. Draw another one of the same shape and size to the right, but angle it slightly outwards. Do the same thing on the left side, angling this one to the left. Next, under the bulbs on each side, draw a curved line out and up. Lastly, draw a small circle at the end of these lines. And that's it for this Among Us crewmate wearing the Christmas lights hat. Now let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.